The Design for Commerce initiative was really born out of our experiences as a team on the Alibaba UNCTAD e-Founders initiative.
The D4C initiative is an exciting opportunity for youth to leverage who they are, to leverage their creativity, to leverage their networks, to leverage social media, to leverage the internet.
The key objective for us with the D4C workshop is how do we empower guys who are creatives, guys who are digital marketers, entertainers, graphic designers, guys who have some activism in their blood, and how do we empower them to be able to take advantage of our platform? But beyond our platform, how do you empower them to also see opportunities generally in e-commerce and on the internet? And that was what the workshop was about.
Coming for Design for Commerce, I hope to get exposed and know what is really needed to survive the current market.
My expectations are really high. I really hope to learn a lot about how we can actually make design profitable for young entrepreneurs like us coming up.
Learn ways to improve my business, meet people, network.
Good design is good business. Monetize your skills. You have skill, Abi, monetize it.
We brought facilitators, my co-entrepreneurs who also partook in the program in China. We brought them to share some of their experiences and how they think it will be relevant within this industry of the creative individuals.
The practical class was interesting because under 5 minutes, in space of 5 minutes, we see people creating things. It means that when you open the opportunity, the door of opportunity for people, they will go all out to express themselves.
I thought it was a very impactful session, at least for today. The feedbacks were very impressive. The people thought they were challenged, they were empowered.
I learned little things can be used to make much bigger things. It's we shouldn't limit ourselves by the little things we see and take them for granted. Whatever they are, we can use them to make so much impact, create so much value, create solutions wherever we find ourselves.
I've gone to like different seminars, workshops, and I'm telling you, this is one of the best.
The food
was,
oh God.
the food was amazing.
I didn't regret coming here. It was so amazing, educative, and I learned so much.
If you miss this, try to hook up to the next one because there's something you should have learned now that I have learned. But then you're coming next, come with a prepared mind because you're going to always take something home.
The further leg for us is to go further down the line and be able to influence some curriculum addition through the D4C summer camp, which for us is happening in summer between July and August, where we'll take a few people lower down, where we think they are earlier, and empower them with some of these e-commerce tools based on what we've learned from China. And hopefully in their pursuits from there would be that they would have some entrepreneurial pursuits, whether they get into tertiary institutions or they have some entrepreneurial pursuits that are technology and e-commerce enabled going from there. So those are the things that are driving us for the D4C initiative.